Okay, it's not pulling the door up. What is your address?
We're getting a lot of calls today,
You're welcome. You have a great day.
but we can save people a lot of time and a lot of money by just showing them a few simple steps to re-engage their opener to their door. So this is a trolley, and typically these ride on the rail of the operator. When you pull the red cord, what you're doing is you're disengaging the trolley from the operator itself. By pulling the red cord down, you are now free to move back and forth. When you re-engage, it lifts a set of teeth up that re-engage into the operator itself. So if you've pulled this cord down and your door is free and you can move it manually, you simply need to push this lever back up. That will re-engage into the opener, and the opener will be functional again with the door. There's a couple different trolleys out there. This is pretty general. You'll find this one on most of your Genie products. So what would be called a Genie screw drive. So if you have a Genie product and it's a Genie screw drive, look for this trolley. Down is open, up is engaged. Down, open, up, engaged. The second one is also a Genie trolley, but this one's a little bit different. You can kind of see in there's a slot that drops down. There's going to be a carriage that rides in through the sleeve here. If it's in the up position, it's engaged. When you pull down on the red cord, it disengages it. That's free, engaged. So just like the other Genie product, when it's down, it's open. When it's up, it's engaged. The third is a LiftMaster product. This is very common with anything made by LiftMaster, Chamberlain, Craftsman, all those major names. So if you pull down on the red cord, you'll notice that a lever drops. If you pull it down and pull backwards, that's locked open. That means this piece can move freely through. This is hooked to the operator. This is hooked to your door. They're going to pass through each other. They're not going to be engaged until that's locked back in. And by locking it back in, I simply pull down and pull towards the door. If you lock it back in, and you can either A, lift the door manually to catch it, or B, go to your button, hit it, and let the operator run its course, and it'll catch the trolley itself. Most of the time, it's easier just to lift the door up, but if you find it more convenient, just hit the button and let the trolley run, and it'll hook back into the outer trolley. The door will be mechanized again. You'll be back in business in seconds.